didn't take my makeup off last night, so I look a little bit like a drug addict. But we didn't get murdered in our sleep, and we did wake up in what we think is the location where they filmed the scene where Sam chases Frodo at the end of the Fellowship, out into the water. Look. We're not 100% sure, but we're pretty sure. And now it's seriously like 7:30 and we're gonna walk. We're not gonna walk. We're gonna drive at like 40 kilometers per hour, 3 hours to Tianao probably. Yeah, and then we're hopefully gonna get our tire changed to some degree and get to Milford Sound by 2:30 so we can get dunked in a waterfall. That's it. We're excited. We're probably gonna spend tomorrow night here. Pop another tire on the way. Hopefully not. No, but it'll be good. Alright guys, so here's a little update on our day. We survived the night and woke up and got ready and left. And once we got into service, we looked up where the Lord of the Rings filming, and it was actually where the Breaking of the Fellowship was filmed in the Fellowship of the Ring. So and right. Sammy, yeah, well, we both kind of were. We were both paging through our brains trying to figure it out, but Sammy had the idea that it was the Breaking of the Fellowship. Lost it. I lost it at least. Just tears, and we went to Tianao. So we drove to Tianao on the donut, and because it's Easter Sunday and a Sunday, there was no garages open to give us a fix-it, I guess. And so that means we sprung for a day rental for a car. And that's what we're in right now.
It's actually a boat.
It's very big. A boat spaceship, because it sounds like a spaceship when it's idling.
Yeah, or just like a giant speedboat.
Yeah. So. Then we found a park and got changed and kind of freshened up. I left the phone on top of the car, my other phone on top of the car. It fell and got crushed. I did not realize this until half an hour into our drive to Milford Sound. And then once we got in service, racing back, someone picked up the FaceTime call that I used off of Sammy's phone, and I was able to go back into Tianao and get it. It is a little cracked on the bottom, but it still works, and it will be okay. Now we are on our way to Milford Sound. We have our tour at 3 o'clock. It is beautiful here and terrifying, but Sammy is a wonderful driver, and we're gonna have a lot of fun. This trip has broken me and built me back up, and I'm gonna start crying right now. I've done a lot of crying for good and happy, like happy and sad reasons, and it's just been a trip. And we're tired and malnourished, running off of coffee and chocolate covered coffee beans.
Literally, that's all I've eaten today is chocolate covered espresso beans.
Yeah, so I don't have any eye makeup on because it's hard to put it on in the car, and I haven't even put my eye makeup on yet. So I just have face makeup on, so I look like a little like tiny-eyed person.
Tiny-eyed.
I'm going to try and vlog some shots. We will be driving back in the dark since it will be 3 o'clock that our tour is going to be. And
it's 1:30 now.
Yep. We don't know how we're gonna get home yet because we're 7 hours away from Twizel.
Yeah.
With a donut. And tomorrow's Easter Monday, which we don't quite know yet how we're gonna get home, but we have been resourceful, and let me show you guys this.
And this is why.
Look at that. Oh my gosh.
Take it out in front of this tour bus.
Yeah, I
I just
know.
went slow on that because they are trying to tour people.
Right.
You know I never will make it by. And I can't breathe if it isn't you and I. And I won't make it without you by my side. I can't walk it, still can't.
No way.
Where you're this close to the mountains
Yeah.
and so dwarfed by them.
Yeah.
That's it. That's dwarf
Oh,
something
okay.
is where everything is so big that there's no perspective and it's something dwarf.
Okay. We'll have to look it up and we'll have to see.
Yeah.
Her kayaking people told her this last time she was here and she was kayaking.
That when you get out into Milford Sound, because there's nothing to compare the size of the mountains to, like we have here,
Right.
like the signs and the cars.
Yeah.
There's nothing in Milford Sound, so everything
That
looks
makes
small.
sense.
Like the mountains don't look
Right,
big
there's- right.
until you're in an enormous boat right next to them,
Right.
and you can't see the tops.
Can't fly without you and I'm so lost without you. I won't make it without you.
Kate, will you tell me really quick? We've got 4 minutes about this bridge.
This isn't a bridge, it's a tunnel.
Oh, I'm sorry, a tunnel.
It's like 1,270 meters, I'm guessing, because that sign says so. It's like a long ass tunnel, and it's terrifying. And the first time I drove through was at like 5 o'clock in the morning, and I hate tunnels just in general, but I drove through screaming like this at like, I think, what's the speed limit? 30? I don't know. The speed limit sign is like 70
30.
or something. I went like 120 through the tunnel at 5 o'clock in the morning, just screaming.
I couldn't imagine driving through this at 5 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, by yourself when everything else is dark and like the moon wasn't even like bright. And like we're gonna be underneath that. Don't tell me that a tiny little bit of concrete can hold that up. I don't believe it for a goddamn second. I'm so scared.
I have my awareness rock from yesterday. We didn't vlog it, but I've definitely needed it today.
Like, I'm glad I'm the first one, but I'm also terrified. No, I'm glad because then if
You can
the
set the
rocks start
speed.
falling
Yeah,
down,
you can.
I can get out without being trapped. Well, this
Yep.
is not easing my anxiety, but
I'm so lost without you. I won't make it without you.
oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. I do not. Oh my god.
You can do it. It's okay.
It's dripping.
Yep, it's dripping, but it's fine.
I don't care what the others say, and I still think of you night and day, and yeah, I've lost my way.
By the way, I looked at that footage that you recorded, and it was really good. I'm so happy we're here together. Huh?
And then we're gonna eat a buttload.
Yeah. We're very hungry. We haven't eaten
Anything all day.
Yeah,
We've just had coffee, chocolate covered coffee. I didn't even drink my coffee, so I have
because her coffee was milk and one shot.
espresso and then chocolate.
What do you think?
It's amazing.
It is amazing. My phone storage is already full, and I had to delete a whole bunch of Netflix stuff, but that's okay.
Yeah, who needs Netflix?
Yeah, who needs Netflix? This place is
We have
beautiful,
Milford Sound.
right?
It's better than anything.
It's so pretty.
Look there, folks. Look in front of us right there at the moment. We've got some bluefin tuna jumping out of the water. Now that's our first time.
think we're on our way back.
We are. Most deaf.
Most deaf. you think?
I love Milford Sound a lot.
Yeah.
It's a true gem of New Zealand.
And like I said, or like Sammy said earlier, it almost made us forget about our car problems.
It made me forget. I just remember when we sat down after the waterfall.
Yeah. So,
Seriously,
and we
one
still
of-
have to get through the rest of Milford Sound to get back home,
Yeah.
which is kind of terrifying.
Home to our car.
Home to our car. And back to the Lord of the Rings filming site, hopefully.
Hopefully.
We'll see what happens.